So I got a MaxxMini here, just finished up for a customer overseas. This is to be used as a data logger and boost controller. So you get the MaxxMini there with the built-in map sensor. Move up a little bit, spare injector ignition and a couple of GPO outs, like 10 outputs left over actually. Could do shift lights, all kinds of other stuff if you wanted to. CAN-based wideband, plugs in underneath the seat to the diagnostic connector on your Gen 2 Hayabusa. Inline throttle position adapter, inline speed sensor adapter, fuel pressure, wastegate dome pressure to be able to do CO2 boost control. Air solenoids should be here later today, but I don't have them yet, so add and subtract here so we can do really good boost control. Inline crank trigger adapter for RPM. Inline left hand control adapter for getting the clutch signal, so we can do time-based boost control. And then we've got the disconnect the mode buttons from the stock stuff and then plug this in and use the mode down button to do. I've got it set up for 5 different boost modes right now. And let's see, what else do we have here? And a gear position sensor inline adapter to be able to do gear-based boost control. So quite a few channels here, and it should take just a couple of minutes to plug stuff in, maybe a little bit more to mount the wastegate and the fuel pressure sensors, but everything else is plug and play, or from a wiring perspective is 100% plug and play. Everything's already configured in the software. Because of the very limited inputs on the Max ECU, basically using coolant temperature and intake air temperature as inputs. For one of them is actually fuel pressure, and then the other one I think I'm using is clutch. Mode input button on a digital, vehicle speed on a digital, etc.